Just take a minute. I give myself this moment. Think about the unwanted situations, even the breakups, the arguments, the anger that happened. And then I ask myself how I can turn them into positive. What happened cannot be changed. No matter how heavy the mood, the chaos cannot be relieved. Then I feel in my soul the gradual return of relief and peace. I know that I should only choose to focus on the positive. All that happens is to challenge all the mistakes. It is an opportunity to grow more. I turn my mind towards the positive and see the benefits in it. Now is the time to start a new rhythm of life, with the determination to change the way I think, perceive and behave. I choose positive.